Welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you the best and the easiest solution to fix this problem on your Telegram. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Directly open the settings of your phone, click on apps option and search for Telegram. Click on Telegram like this. Scroll here, there's list, click on your storage, click clear cache now. And back, click on force stop, click OK, click add battery, try to make it on optimized mode. Now guys, you have to go to permission and give permission to options like camera, contacts, file and media and microphone. You have to make this, it's very important. Then come to Play Store or App Store. Search for Telegram and update it if you find the update. Next, restart your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.